Hola, estudiantes. Hi, I'm Senor King. I'm going to be your Spanish teacher this year. I cannot wait to see you guys in person, but meanwhile, I will give you a very brief tour of my homepage on my website, my Power School website. This will just give you an overview of what to expect in my class and what you will learn and what you need to bring with you. Let's start at the top left area. Here it says, Bienvenidas a la clase de español, which means welcome to you all, ladies, to my Spanish class, to the Spanish class. All right, so first, how are you going to get in touch with me if you need me? Las comunicaciones or communications. Number one, you can email me. Number two, a Zoom. You can always reach our Zooms via this link right here at the designated times. You'll know what our designated times are because they'll be listed under activities, which eventually will be embedded down here when we have actual assignments. And number three, individual appointments. If ever you do want to see me one-on-one, you are welcome to shoot me an email and set it up, or come and see me at the end of class, and we can set up a Zoom time or possibly to meet before school. All right, or even during study hall. Next, the materials you're going to need. So number one, our textbook, which is actually just a workbook, is called Look, I Can Talk. So you'll need that, your computer, some headphones, and you have a little bit of time to collect some headphones. If you don't have any, they are for sale in the Spirit store. So you can get some there or at any other place that sells headphones. And number four, you'll need our composition book or journal, and I will supply that for you. And last but not least, bring your pencil pouch. Bring a pencil. All right. And you'll have it already because your backpacks are going to be in our classroom. So it'll be nice and convenient this year. Last but not least, what are you going to learn in class this year? In la clase de español este año, you're going to learn how to have very basic conversations focusing on everyday situations in our target language, Spanish. Learn strategies to recognize and decode words and phrases in Spanish. There are so many more around you than you realize every single day, so you can be the resident translator for your families after I teach you some good skills on how to decode and translate words that you see all around you all the time. At least you are going to become a more culturally aware citizen of the world. This actually aligns with our mission statement at Harpeth Hall, and I have such a wonderful opportunity to expose you all to some really fun customs and traditions in Spanish-speaking countries. So that is where we're going to get into a lot of art materials and really cool foreign commercials and books that you're familiar with and some that you're not familiar with. But this is where a lot of the fun begins. So get ready for that. I can't wait to see you all very soon, and take care.